Hi everyone, Saeed here. Today I have another infographic slide for you. First, let's check it out. You won't believe how easily you can design it. In the template file, I have prepared 74 slides, including different steps, with light and dark themes. You can choose your favorite color, and all of them are fully animated. In next video, I'm going to teach you how to design this viral infographic slide in PowerPoint. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and ring the notification bell, which YouTube will inform you after I release the video. Alright, let's dive in and start the video. First, I'm going to draw this shape. Set its height to 3 and width to 2.2. Let me increase the roundness of this side. Now hold the Ctrl key down and make another copy of it. Change its height to 1.6. These numbers are important. I will explain why later. Anyway, for your better understanding, I changed the color of this shape. Select both of them and align them to the bottom and left. Hold the Ctrl key down, select the big shape first, then the small one. Go to the Shape Format tab and in the Merge Shapes section, choose Subtract. Let me explain why we select the big shape first, then the small one. If I select the small shape first and then the big one, the result of subtraction is going to be like this. So keep in mind, the order of selection is important. Alright. Let me draw a circle. I want the diameter of this circle to be exactly the size of this side. Can you tell me the exact number? If you remember, the height of this shape was 3, and this one was 1.6, so the exact number is 1.4. Set the diameter to 1.4. Now adjust it like this and make them union. The main shape is ready. Now hold the Ctrl key down and make 3 copies of it. Select all of them and in the Align menu, choose Distribute vertically and horizontally. I want to put them exactly to the center. What should I do? First, select all of them and by pressing Ctrl G, group them. Then align them to the middle and center. Now you can ungroup them. For those of you who are wondering how did I add these tools to the Quick Access toolbar, it is so easy. For example, I want to add Shape Fill to the toolbar. Right-click on it and choose Add to Quick Access toolbar. As you see, it is added to the toolbar. But if you don't want it anymore, right-click and remove it. Anyway, let's change each shape's color. These are the color codes that I have used. Now select all of them, right-click, Format Object. Remove their outline and add a drop shadow in this direction to them. Set the blur amount to 25 and distance to 12. Now draw a rectangle and set its height to 7 and width to 12.8. Align it to the middle and center. Let's fill it with a gradient fill. We only need 2 spots, so delete these 2. For this spot, choose black and use this color code for the other spot. Select it, go to More Colors window, and type the code here. Make sure that the radial type is selected and its direction is from center. Also, add a drop shadow to the center and set the blur amount to 20. Okay, now you can send it back. Click on this icon and add your titles. Let me bring all the contents to the center. Can you tell me what should I do? Select all of them, group them, and align them to the middle and center. Now you can ungroup them. I think it is better to change the font style of numbers. So select them and change the font style. I am using the Rusu one font style. Also use the eyedropper tool and set this color for it. Repeat this for the other numbers. Now we have to animate them. Press Ctrl A to select all of them, but we don't want to animate this rectangle. So hold the Ctrl key down and deselect it. Now go to the Animation tab and add Fly In animation to them. Okay, let's modify the animations. Click on the Animation pane and select all the animations. For selecting them, you can use Ctrl A or select the first one, then hold the Shift key down and select the last one. All of them are selected. Now select the Start with Previews and increase their duration to 2.5 seconds. Right-click on them and select Effect Options. Set a Smooth Start to 0.5 and Bounce End to 1.75. Now your PowerPoint is ready. Alright, it was all for today's video. In next video, I'm going to teach you this. So don't miss it. I'll see you next video.